This is your instructor, Dr. William Sakala. Today, we are going to look at wills and estate. Wills and estate. So this is the course that we are going to start for this this week. So wills and estate. This one is specifically we have incorporated paralegal because it's a paralegal diploma that we are doing. So wills and estate course outline, a Zimbabwe perspective for diploma in paralegal counseling students. So this is specifically for paralegal counseling students. Okay, so let's look at the course overview. This course overview is actually designed to equip students with the knowledge and the skills necessary to understand the principles of wills and estates in Zimbabwe. Students will learn about the legal framework governing wills and estates, including the drafting of wills, administration of deceased estates, and the distribution of assets. Objectives of this course are like this: understanding the legal requirements for a valid will. Number 2, learn how to draft a will and administer a deceased estate. Number 3, understand the role of paralegals in wills and estate management. Number 4, develop skills in estate planning, will drafting, and administration. So the course outline is like this. We have introduction to wills and estates. Here we are going to discuss about definition and importance of wills. We'll also talk about historical development of wills and estates law in Zimbabwe. Number 2, we are going to talk about drafting a will. Here we'll discuss things like requirements for a valid will, types of wills, and clauses and provisions in a will. And we'll talk about administration of deceased estates. Here we'll discuss about things about role of the executor or administrator, procedures for reporting and administering a deceased estate, and also distribution of assets and the payment of debts. We'll also talk about estate planning. So in estate planning, there are things that we are going to discuss about, which includes importance of estate planning, strategies for minimizing estate duty and taxes, use of trusts and other estate planning tools. Before we conclude, we are going to talk about paralegal role in wills and estate management, which will be able to look into issues like responsibilities and duties of paralegals in this scenario, importance of attention to deals and organizational skills, and communication and interpersonal skills. So I've listed recommended resource books or recommended resources that you can find there, so that you are able to other books apart from the information that I'm providing. So this is our outline of the course that we are going to undertake. So a brief introduction to wills and estate could be: a will is a legal document outlining how a person's estates are distributed after their death. Estate administration includes managing and distributing these assets according to the will or laws of intestacy. So wills and estate. A will is a legal document outlining how persons' assets are distributed. And estate administration involves managing and distributing these assets according to the will or laws of estates. So important aspects or key aspects that we'll look into or that we have to bear in mind as we go through this course is number one, wills. Wills, which is outlining wishes for asset distribution, guardianship, and other final instructions. So wills, it's an outline of wishes for asset distribution, guardianship, and other final instructions that is from the deceased. Number two, estates. Estates include all assets, liabilities, and properties owned by the deceased. That is estate. And number three, administration. Administration involves gathering assets, paying debts, and distributing assets to beneficiaries. Administration means or involves gathering assets, paying debts, and distributing assets to beneficiaries. So importance, as we go through this course, let's look at the importance notes that we need to bear in mind. Number one, ensure wishes are respected. A will ensures the deceased's wishes are carried out. Number two, minimize disputes. Minimize disputes. Clear instruction reduce conflicts among beneficiaries. Clear instruction as you prepare your will with clear instruction, it reduces conflicts among the beneficiaries. Number three, efficient distribution. Proper estate distribution ensures assets are distributed efficiently. Understanding wills estates is crucial for individuals planning estate, legal practitioners, and even those involved in estate administration. All these categories of individuals need to understand wills and estate for them to be able to administer their role with knowledge. So after now that we have gone through the introduction of this course, what are your challenges or what are your experiences? What experiences have you faced in this scenario in line concerning wills and the estate, or where people are distributing wills? What challenges have you faced, and or what experience have you had? You can briefly explain that to